On Monday, February 6th, the Turkish-Syrian border region was hit with back-to-back earthquakes. 7.8 and 7.5 magnitude earthquakes struck on the same day. 3 weeks later, on Monday, February 27th, a 5.2 magnitude earthquake hit southeastern Turkey. Since then, Turkey and Syria's estimated combined death toll has surpassed 50,000 and millions have been displaced.
Depremden ilk önce Twitter'dan haberim oldu. Burada saat 7 gibiydi. Twitter'da sadece deprem alanında hani deprem yüzünden uyanan insanların tweetleri gözüküyordu. O yüzden bayağı hani korkutucuydu. O sırada hani İstanbul'dan hiç uyanan falan olmamıştı. Ailem İstanbul'da yaşıyor. Depremden etkilenmediler. Arkadaşlarım, Boğaziçi'ndeki arkadaşlarımın aileleri bazılarına haber alınamıyor. Bazı üniversiteden arkadaşlarım vefat etti.
One of the largest contributors to the death toll was a failure to adhere to building safety codes on areas located on tectonic fault lines. Some of these building codes were implemented after a previous deadly earthquake in 1999 that led to a death toll of 17,000. Nearly 200 people have been arrested in connection to the buildings that collapsed.
Yani başta böyle bir şey olmaması lazımdı. Deprem alanı olduğunu herkes biliyordu ama usulsüz iş yapanlar, yani biliyorduk aslında usulsüz iş yapıldığını. Sadece hani elimizden bir şey gelmiyor. Eylemlerin daha önceden yapılması gerekiyordu.
According to the World Bank Group, the earthquakes caused an estimated $34.2 billion in damages. Foreign aid has poured in, with countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Russia, and many others pledging assistance. The UT UNICEF chapter has also begun fundraising on campus following the disaster.
When it happened, the death toll was like 2,000 in the span of an hour, went up to like 6,000-7,000. So it was kind of all happening as we were there. And then after the meeting, we were just, we were all really shocked. It's like a devastating thing that happened, and we thought, we should do something. Usually the specific ones that just like pops up out of necessity, like the one we did for Turkey and Syria was just like, hey, this happened, we need to mobilize, get the word out there.
For Texas News Primetime, this is Angela Santos.